Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung IconX 2018 edition earbuds. I'm going to show you how to transfer music from the phone to the earbuds themselves, because this does have inbuilt 4 gig of storage. It's actually less than that, but you do get about 3 point something gig worth of storage in there. So very simple. You open the Gear app, you go into music, and then you go into transfer tracks. There's 2 ways that you can do it. You can either connect a USB while the buds are in the cradle, and you can connect the USB on the back, and then you get a little thing that you put on the bottom of this, which turns the cable into like an on-the-go cable. Or you can use, obviously, you can connect a USB to the data cable to your PC, or you can do it wirelessly. We're going to do it wirelessly just to show you. So all you do is, because they're already synced up to the phone, it won't make a connection because there already is a connection. And then all you do is you select the tracks. So you'll go in and open a big library. We'll go in and we'll just do, let's just say this one. And then you hit done. And then it will start to transfer. Obviously, because it's Bluetooth, it means that it's going to take a pretty long time to transfer one track. So it's best off, if you're going to do like an album or a few albums, to do it via the PC or connect an actual cable, because that will be quicker. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe and leave a like down below. Also check out my other videos and be sure to follow me on social media. Peace.